we can discuss generation and timeline of the computers. By last part of the 19th century, the word was also used to describe machines that did calculations. The modern day use of the word is generally to describe programmable digital devices that run on electricity. In 1822, the father of the computer, Carles Babbage, began developing what would be the first mechanical computer, and then actually designed an analytical engine which was a general purpose computer. It combined ALU, some basic flowchart principle, and the concept of the integrated memory. The next it is generation of computer. First generation, this was for the period of 1940 to 1955. This was when machine language was developed for the use of computer. They used vacuum tubes for the circuitry. For the purpose of memory, they used magnetic drums. Second generation, here they advanced from vacuum tubes to transistors. This made the computer smaller, faster and more energy efficient, and they advanced from the binary to assembly languages in 1956 to 1963. Third generation, the hallmark of this period 1964 to 1971 was the development of the integrated circuit, means IC. Fourth generation, the invention of the microprocessor brought along the fourth generation of the computer. What is a microprocessor? Microprocessor is an integrated devices and that can be process all computer systems. This processor is known as the microprocessor. This was when we started producing computers for home use. Another important aspect is the development of higher computer languages like C++ and Java. Fifth and last generation, this is the present and the future of the computer world. The defining aspect of this generation is the artificial intelligence. The use of parallel processing and superconductors are making this a reality and provide a lot of scope for the future. Next point, it is the chronology of the microprocessor. First upon, what is a microprocessor? A microprocessor is a computer processor that incorporates the function of central processing unit on a single or more integrated circuit IC of MOSFET construction. The microprocessor is a multi-purpose clock-driven register-based digital integrated circuit that accepts binary data as input, processes it according to instructions stored in its memory and provides result also in memory form as output. Microprocessor contain both combinational logic and sequential digital logic. In 1970, the first microprocessor were designed and manufactured in the 1970. Designers predominantly used the MOSFET transistor with PMOS logic in the early 1970s and the predominantly used NMOS logic from the mid 1970. They experimented with various word lengths. Early on, 4-bit processors were common, example Intel 4004. Later the decade, 8-bit processors such as the MOS 6502 superseded the 4-bit chips. 16-bit processor emerged by the decade end. Some unusual word lengths were tried. including 12-bit and 20-bit. Intel 4004 is widely regarded as first ever commercial microprocessor. In 1980, 16-bit and 32-bit microprocessor were common among new designs, and CMOS technology overtook NMOS. Transistor count increased dramatically during the decade. The home computer of the 1980 predominantly used processors that were introduced in 1970s version of the MOS 6502, first released in 1975, and Zilog Z80 in 1976, were the core of many of the home computers such as the Commodore 64 and ZX Spectrum. Even the first generation IBM PC used a processor from the 1970 in the Intel 8088. It was not until Intel's 80286 used in the IBM PC /80 and later the 80386 that processor design in the 1980 drove the computers of the 1980s. This processor offered higher clock speed and 32-bit word length as well as new operating modes such as protected mode that were not available in earlier chips. Critically protected mode allowed the use of virtual memory and brought the graphical user interface to business computer, beginning the Windows 2.0. 1990, the 32-bit microprocessor dominated the consumer market in the 1990s. Processor clock speeds increased by the more than tenfold between 1990 to 1999, and 16-bit processor began with emerge later in the decade. In the 1990s, microprocessor no longer used the same clock speed for the processor and the RAM. Processor began to have front side bus FSB clock speed used in communication with RAM and other components. Typically, the processor itself ran at clock speed that was multiple of the FSB clock speed. Intel Pentium 3rd, for example, had an internal clock speed 450 to 600 MHz and an FSB speed of 100 to 133 MHz. Last 2000s, 64-bit processor become mainstream in the 2000s. The processor clock speed reached a ceiling because of the heat dissipation barrier. Instead of implementing expensive and impractical cooling system, manufacturers turned to the parallel computing in the form of the multi-core processor. Overclocking had its roots in the 1990s but came into its own in 2000. Off-the-shelf cooling system it's designed for the overclocked processor become common and over the decade. Transistor count increased by about an order of magnitude. A trend continued from previous decades. Process size decreased about fourfold from 180 nm to 45 nm. Thank you.